Now, with more people continuing to work from home, dining tables and spare rooms are still being used as makeshift office areas.
Yeah, but how do you organise your study to make it work? Well, here to share her decluttering tips is Jo Carmichael from All Sorted Out. Jo, good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
Great to see you, Jo. You're tackling this morning a family's study, which looks pretty messy at the moment. It looks like it needs a bit of work. What have you got planned?
Yeah, so this family recently downsized from a large family home to a townhouse, and that was last year. And so you can see we've still got a few boxes to unpack, and we're going to reorganise the room as well as unpack the things and work out a good location for everything. Now, they're very lucky that they have a whole room. Many people just have to make do with the dining table. So for people who don't have the luxury of all this space, I highly recommend that near the dining table there might be a buffet or a piece of furniture. They could probably get things out of that like placemats, DVDs, CDs that they really don't use. They could get those things out, maybe donate them, and then they've got somewhere to put their own paperwork, their files, their laptop when they're not working, so that they don't have to look at it all the time. They can kind of like switch off when work's finished.
That is a great idea because, yeah, you're right, more and more people are working from home and it helps to have a nice, clean space in order to work. That's right. Jo, we will check in with you right throughout the morning for more tips and also to see how you get on with that study there.
Yeah, thank you very much. We'll get cracking.
Best of luck.
Thank you.